guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be talking all about the new Alicia Keys skincare brand called Keys Soulcare. You guys, I'm super excited for this skincare line. If you guys do not know who Alicia Keys is, honey, you are living under a rock. She is so amazing, and when I tell you guys that I was so excited to see her coming out with a skincare line, because if you guys have not seen her skin, girl, her skin is incredible. She has really beautiful skin, so I'm really excited. Her new skincare line actually launched at Ulta recently, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave Ulta's website down below in case you guys are interested in picking up any of these items that you guys see in today's video. So in today's video, not only am I going to be talking about the brand to you guys, I'm also going to be showing you guys demos of each skincare product as well as close-ups of each product, so you guys can get into the packaging, the texture, and really get to see exactly what the products are like, just in case you guys have been on the fence and weren't sure if you wanted to pick up something from the line, or if you were like, what's the tea? Is this just another celebrity skincare line? So I'm really excited to jump into today's video. Before we jump in, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys have not already. And of course, as always, if you guys would like to hear all the tea on the new Alicia Keys Soulcare skincare line, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so first things first, I just want to talk a little bit about the brand. So I am on the website right now, and if you guys were interested with any brand or any website that you go on that has to do with product, if you go all the way to the bottom of the website, there's a little section that says About Us. If you click on that, it's basically like the brand's mission statement. I personally, as a consumer, loves to read those statements, or just loves to see exactly what the mission of this brand is. So I just wanted to go over their mission statement. So on the website, it does say, we believe in the power of serious skincare and soul nurturing rituals, which I love. You guys, I feel like when you think of Alicia Keys, you think of her R&B flavor, you think of her soul that she brings to her music. Like, she just looks like someone that when you're around her, she's just like so positive and gives off this positive energy. Mind you, I've never met her before. Obviously, she's a celebrity, but I feel like I just get that kind of vibe when I listen to her music or when I hear her speak. She has such a soft voice. Fun fact, she actually does like a little voice kind of like message over Ulta's intercoms. So you guys know I do work for Ulta Beauty, so I hear it throughout the day, and her voice is so soothing, you guys. It's just like a quick message of her just like introducing her brand is now at Ulta Beauty, and her just talking about a few of the things. So love that, and she's amazing. Okay, back to the mission statement. So on here, it also says, because to us, beauty is more than skin deep. It also says, created with Alicia Keys and inspired by her own skincare journey and love for ancient beauty rituals, Keys Soulcare goes beyond skincare to truly care for your whole self, body, mind, and spirit. You guys, definitely I have to say, with using the skincare line today, I really did feel like it was like such an amazing self-care moment, and like you really could feel how nice it made you feel. It was amazing. On here, it also says that it is dermatologist developed, of course. It says that they partnered with Dr. Renee Snyder. I hope that's how you pronounce her name. So it says here that she works closely with Alicia Keys and Keys Soulcare team on the formulation of every single skincare offering. So that is pretty cool. It's also clean formulas. So all of our product offerings are formulated with potent yet gentle ingredients, and without 1,680 substances restricted by the FDA and European Union Cosmetics Regulation Guidelines. So there's no parabens, there's no phthalates, there's no sulfates, there's no formaldehyde. It's free of a ton of stuff. Also, when you go actually to Ulta to see it in stores, all of these things that it's free of is on the display itself. So it's a really beautiful display. I definitely encourage you guys to head to Ulta Beauty if you're interested in this collection and go see it for yourself in person, because it is such a beautiful display. It's the first thing that you see when you actually walk into the door. So that is enough about that. That is basically their mission statement. Like it said on here, it's basically a skincare line that as you're using it, it's supposed to help to open up not only your mind, but it's also supposed to enhance your mind, body, and spirit, which I love. It is amazing. So let's go ahead and jump into these products. So I did go ahead and purchase the entire line. I did also quickly want to mention that this video is not sponsored, you guys. I bought all this stuff with my own money, so everything that I'm telling you, all of my thoughts, all of my reviews in today's video are 100% my opinion. So I did get pretty much everything besides the facial roller and the candle. Those are the only two things that I did not pick up, but I did pick up the entire line besides that. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is this right here. This is the Keys Soulcare Golden Cleanser. This is what the cleanser looks like right here. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and insert some up-close shots of each product so you guys can see what it is. But really quickly, I did want to show you guys and actually point out that on each box of each product, there's like these little symbols on them, and they have like little messages. So for example, this one has almost like this little moon symbol on the box, and it says you are devoted to this moment. And then on another box, it has the same symbol, and this one says you are free as the air. So I'm curious to know exactly what these symbols are, so I'm going to go on the website and just search just a little bit more, just so that way I can go a little bit more in depth, because those kind of intrigued me. Like every single symbol has a little message of these products packaging, which I thought was such a cool touch. So on the site it says, honoring the connection between skin and soul, every offering is infused with intention. From symbolic icons and affirming mantras to recommended rituals, to transform the time we spend caring for our skin into a moment of personal ceremony, which I think is amazing. So that is really cool. So these are almost like little symbols to give you like little mantras to say throughout the day. If you guys don't know what a mantra is, it's kind of like speaking something into existence. So like it said on here, you are as free as the air. It's kind of like things like that, or like in the morning when you look in the mirror and you're like, well, I'm beautiful, or I'm this, or I'm happy, or whatever the case is. It's kind of like that kind of situation. So I love that. I love that little personal touch that she gave us on the packaging. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and jump into product now. So the first product here is the cleanser. Like I said, this is called the Golden Cleanser. I love the packaging on this, you guys. It's so nice, so luxe. And I just want to tell you guys, I'm going to go ahead and put the prices of everything, but I was pleasantly surprised at how affordable this skincare line was. This is what the cleanser looks like right here. And like I said, I did use this morning and I am obsessed. So it feels like a very thin consistency, but thick at the same time. It's really nice when you pop it into your hand. It's not something that's so thick like a foaming cleanser or like a gel cleanser where it's kind of not going to seep down your hand. You guys will see in this clip that it actually does run down your hand. It has kind of like that golden color to it. When you actually rub your hands together and add a little bit of water, you guys can see it foams up really, really nicely. It's not too over foamy, but it does get a little bit creamy. It's beautiful, you guys, and the scent was the first thing that I noticed. So these products do have scents to them, but they're not anything that's too overpowering. It's not something that's going to irritate your skin. It smells so natural. All of these products, in my opinion, smell like sage in a way, or like incense, and I feel like it's beautiful. I love it. It just really puts me in that calm moment, especially because I'm someone personally who does use incense in the house and stuff like that. So it's a really nice like cleansing moment. Like you literally feel like you're just cleansing your spirit. You're cleansing all of the negativity. It is just bomb. I'm obsessed. So the cleanser was amazing. As you guys can see in the clip, it foamed up nicely. It cleansed my skin nicely. And even after washing it off, you can see how vibrant my skin looked. It was already glowing from just the cleanser, which was amazing. So the Soulcare Golden Cleanser retails for $20, which is amazing. And this cleanser comes with, let's see how many ounces are in here. It comes with 5.75 fluid ounces. Girl, let me just tell you, that's a lot of cleanser in here. So this is going to last you a while. I love the pump. I love the whole aesthetic, you guys. Like the bottle is gorgeous. This is definitely going to look really beautiful in the bathroom, right next to the sink. Super cute. So the cleanser was amazing. I love it. I highly recommend it. I'm so excited to use it because it definitely smells amazing. The next product that I have here that I used is the Keys Soulcare Be Luminous Exfoliator. So this right here is a powder exfoliator. Well, I personally love powder exfoliators. I love that I can control exactly how abrasive I want my exfoliator to be versus how emulsified it is, if that makes sense. And I feel like with this product, you could really control how gentle it is on the skin or how abrasive it is. So this is what it looks Well, mine is a little dirty because I used it today, but this is what it looks like right here. It's really nice, and I also love the fact that it comes with a stopper. I'll show you guys an up-close clip, but there's like this little plastic piece that's inside the top of it. So when you go ahead and remove that, you can go ahead and, of course, pour in the powder into the palm of your hands, and then when you're done, you can close it back up and put on the lid, so that way you always ensure that when you take the lid off of this product, your powder exfoliator is not falling everywhere, and you're not wasting any product. Like I said, this is a powder exfoliator, so the way that you apply this is you just put a little bit in the palm of your hand. I was trying to show you guys a clip of me actually showing you what the powder looks like, but of course I was like, I really don't want to spill this everywhere, but I did try. So you basically pour a little bit in the palm of your hand, you add a couple drops of water, and then you rub it together, and it basically emulsifies. The more water you apply, the more foamy it's gonna get, if that makes sense. I wanted mine to be more on the thicker, creamier side, and I was pleasantly surprised at how much this actually showed up on the skin. This one was amazing, you guys. It smelled so nice. It foamed up really well. It wasn't too abrasive. It didn't feel like it was scratching my skin, and as you guys can see, after washing it off, my face looked so illuminated, brighter, smoother. It was gorgeous. I definitely recommend the exfoliator as well, and the exfoliator retails for $22, which is also affordable, and with the exfoliator you do get 2.29 ounces of product. So moving on to the Keys Soulcare Reviving Aura Mist. This is basically like a mist that you can use as a toner. You can also use it over your makeup. You can use it over your skincare to kind of set all your skincare products in place. It is really nice. I want to say the first thing that I noticed about this is the actual spray on here, which I'm gonna, obviously you guys are gonna see it close up, but the spray on here has a big gap. I don't know if you guys can see this. It has a big gap between the spray nozzle and the actual base of it. So when you spray it, you're getting a really nice, decent amount of mist on your skin. It is beautiful. I've never seen something like this before, to be honest. So when I was looking at it, I was like, like what is that gonna do, or how is it gonna differ from other sprays? And let me tell you guys, this mist is so nice. It sprays so nicely. It's like a very soft, lightweight mist. It's beautiful, and it smells really, really good. So I did spray this on my skin. It gave me a really nice glow to my skin. So yes, this I also did really enjoy, and the mist retails for $22 as well, which is not super pricey either. Most of her skincare in this line is about $20 to $30. I feel like the candle is the most expensive thing, if I'm not mistaken. So like I said, it's pretty affordable. So after applying the mist, of course, I went in with her Harmony mask, which I was really excited to try. And this mask is made with Manuka honey and charcoal. I have to say that this mask is pretty small. This comes with 1.76 ounces of product. So when I opened this up, I was expecting like this big jar, but it's actually a pretty small jar in my opinion for a face mask. So at first, like any mud or charcoal kind of mask, I was like, this is going to be a little bit drying. You guys know I have more normal to dry skin, but it was amazing. This also has that really nice kind of like sage scent. It could be the Manuka honey that I was smelling mixed with the charcoal, but it smelled really nice, and the color was nice. It was like a nice deep green sage kind of color. It was beautiful. I applied it to my skin, as you guys saw. Because this container is pretty small, it was kind of hard to get the mask out with my nails, so that's the only downside that I can say. But other than that, it was nice. It was thinner than your average charcoal mask, I'll say that too. It wasn't as thick. It really did smooth out really nicely. It was very easy and manageable to spread, which I love. I feel like with a lot of charcoal mask and mud mask, it's really hard to actually get a nice even layer. It was not difficult with this mask. It was really nice. I was able to apply a thin layer, as you guys saw in that clip. I did let it sit. It does say on here you could let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, so I did let it sit. When it was actually dry, I honestly couldn't even tell because it didn't tighten up as much as a normal mud mask that I usually use, so that was nice as well. So like I said, I let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then I rinsed it off using my e.l.f. cleansing cloud, which I usually use to remove all of my mask and all of my cleansers, as you guys know, and it was actually really easy to remove. I don't know about you guys, but for me, when I'm using a mud mask or any kind of mask that dries down, once it's time to take it off, it's so difficult. Like, you really have to wet it. You really have to start to work it into the skin again before you're able to actually wash it off. With this one, it was really, really easy to take off. And this mask actually retails for $28, which is not bad. And it was amazing. As you guys can see, after using the mask and actually washing it off, my skin looked amazing. So it honestly could have been a mixture of the mask, exfoliator, and the cleanser, but I'm telling you, it was so beautiful, and I really did feel like my skin was nice and detoxified. It looked really clean. My pores even looked really clean. So that was bomb. Loved that. So after applying the mask and rinsing it off, I did go back in with a little bit of the mist to go ahead and just rehydrate my skin. And then the next product I went in with is the Keys Soulcare Comforting Balm. I think that this was the product that I was most excited for. So this is like a multi-use balm. So you can use it anywhere you feel like you need some extra hydration. So you can use it, let's say, on your elbows if you feel like they're a little more dry and cracked. You can use it underneath your eyes. You can use it on your lips. You can use it on your cuticles. Like, it's literally something that you can use anywhere you have really dry, cracked skin. I will say it's pretty small, so you obviously are going to waste a lot of product if you're using it on bigger areas. But it was nice, I will say that. I'll also say that it was a product that as soon as you dip your finger in there and start to rub your finger on the balm, it melts really nicely with the warmth of your finger. So as you guys saw in the clip, I did go ahead and apply it underneath my eye. It was really nice. As you guys can see with my makeup, it did not disrupt my makeup today whatsoever. If anything, my concealer went on a little bit more smoother. It was just a little bit more easier to blend out because my under eyes were so nice and hydrated. So I did use this today underneath my eyes. I also decided to use it on my lips. I will say that I personally don't like it as like a lip balm. It's too thin in consistency for me personally. I like something on the thicker side, something that I could feel on my lips, that I feel like it's giving me that nice thick layer of hydration. This didn't do that for me as far as a lip product, but of course that's personal preference. Still recommend it. It's still amazing. And this comfort balm retails for only $12, which is pretty affordable. And then the last product, of course, is her Skin Transformation Cream. This cream was really nice, you guys. I felt like even though it was a cream consistency, it almost applied as a gel. It was so easy to apply to the skin. It's a really, really nice moisturizer. This is what it looks like right here. It felt really nice, and a little bit went such a long way. I did not need to use a lot of this product because, like I said, it smooths onto your skin and it's really easy to blend. So that was the last product that I used, and I will have to say these products were amazing, you guys. Like, look at my skin. My skin looks so good today. By the way, if you guys are interested in this like natural kind of soft glam look, I did film this look for you guys, so it is coming. But I just wanted to apply a full face of makeup today because I wanted to see exactly how the makeup was going to wear over top of this Keys Soulcare. And as you guys can see, it looks amazing. My skin felt super hydrating. Nothing was too abrasive. Nothing was too overpowering. I really do feel like it was definitely an experience. So I really did love everything that I tried. Like I said, if you guys are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to Ulta Beauty down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I definitely highly recommend that you guys try at least one thing from this brand because it is so bomb. And like I said, it really does give you that experience of really cleansing your mind, body, and soul. I feel like this is like your little personal ritual in the morning when you just need to wake up for a brand new day. It's just a feel-good skincare brand. So I'm super excited to have been able to bring you guys today's video. Like I said, everything that I said in today's video were 100% my opinion. Down below in the comments, let me know if you guys are interested in any of these products. Are you going to pick up any of it? Have you tried it already? I definitely would love to know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review slash demo of Alicia Keys' new skincare brand, Keys Soulcare. And of course, as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!